Hello anime fans, welcome back to the channel. So you must have already know what this video is going to be about. This video is going to be about the five most underrated isekai anime. Every year a lot of isekai anime are released, but only few of them get popularity nowadays. So today I'm going to talk about five underrated isekai anime. So the first anime on our list is Koshi Zero. Koshi Zero is one of my starting anime. I watched this on the early days of my starting my anime journey. So the premise of the show is simple as you can read from the anime name, Koshishiro. In this anime, there are two main characters. The first is hero Seiya, and the other is the goddess called Restarte. He's given the task to summon a hero to protect us, to protect the world. She is given a list of a lot of heroes from which she has to summon a perfect hero. But in Harish, she summoned a hero who is overly powerful, but also a very cautious hero. And cautious, I mean, he will use a thousand level spell to just kill a simple slime. And before every single fight, he will make sure that he is 100% sure and he is thousand times more powerful than his enemy. Show is a simple binge watch this 12 episode in a single day. So you can just single day you can complete this whole series. The show story is simple, easy to follow, and show has a com and the show has a comedic feel to it. So it's light and easy to watch with your family if you like to watch it with your family and friends. And lastly, the show animation. The show is animated by White Fox Studio, and I hope many of you already know the White Fox name is big in industry. White White Fox Studio has already made a lot of big anime like Steins Gate, Zero, Goblin Slayer. So you can be assured of a good animation quality in this show. I said this show has 8.8 stars. So if you are searching for something simple, isekai feel good for show, then try watching Koshe Zero. The second anime on our list is in Another World with My Smartphone. Like the name suggests, the Mochizuki Toya, who is accidentally killed by a god. So in order to apologize to him, God gives him another chance to reincarnate in another world. And God also asked him for one wish which he likes to get in another world. In the starting, he is not very sure, so in a joke way, he asked for his smartphone in another world. He like to take his phone from this life to another world, and surprisingly, God agrees to his wish. So this new phone, he will with his phone, he is transferred to another world. With his phone, he is sent to another world in a fantasy world, magic and sword. Unlike a last show, this show is a harem genre. People are interested in harem genre and harem genre in this type of anime. You can give it a try. As a lot of isekai anime are made in the harem genre, so you can also watch this for that reason. The show the show was made by JC Staff, which is a well-known company in animation industry. They are famous for they're famous for their anime of Food Wars and Danmachi and Konosuba. They have ma- they have a lot of experience in making good quality animation. The first season was actually made by Studio Reed. The and the second season was actually made by and the second season was made by JC Staff. From my side, I would like to give the show a full 8.7 star out of 10. So you can also give it a try. Show only has 24 episode. So you can also watch this show if you like. The third anime on our list is Drifters. Unlike the last two anime, which is isekai comedy and isekai harem, this anime is action-based story animation. The story begins with our main character Shimazu Toya Hisa, who is an ancient samurai in real life. If you like to search for him, he was a samurai in Japan who fought in a Shigahara. So when Toya Hisa was close to dying, he was sent to another world, magic and sword. by a mysterious person in a white room here, and he finds there that he is not the only person who is sent to another world. With him, there are also many different warriors of different ages and different times who are also sent in who are also sent to another world by the same white room person. So this is a show that also makes a good mystery and gives a good action with the last two animes. This anime gives a good animation and good fighting scenes. So if you're watching, thinking about if you feel like interested, if you are interested in watching this, you should also give it a try. You can watch it if you like for its animation and story, good story. The animation was made by Hood Entertainment, which are actually famous for their special animes. They're actually famous for their special animes. Let's keep it at that. In my point of view, I would give this anime a full 8.3 stars. If you like to watch this anime, you can give it a try. So the fourth anime on our list will is Arifureta. So the fourth anime on our list is Arifureta. From the commonplace to the world's strongest. The story begins with our MC Hajime Nagomu, who is transferred to another world by the god with his whole class in order to become a hero and protect that world. After he is sent to this another world, he realizes that his journey of being a hero is not going to be that simple because as soon as he arrives in another world, he is very soonly betrayed and thrown into a dungeon to die. Okay, you could have guessed it already. This is going to be a revenge and betrayal anime, which have which attracts your attention from the very start of the episode. In my personal view, I have watched this anime already 2 times because I actually enjoyed this anime. It has actually very good story, and it's interesting and engaging. The animation studio was Studio Reeds and Mother. They this anime was made in both their collaboration. If you don't know about this anime studio, there's also another anime made by this same studio. The anime name was More Than Married Couple, but Not Lovers. It was actually very popular anime and also one of my favorite rom-com animes. So you can actually expect a good animation quality in this show. So you should actually give it a try. And from my side, I would give this show a full 9 stars out of 10. So, and the last anime on our list is going to be No Game No Life. This is also one season 12 episode binge watch anime from my side. Anime only has 12 episodes, so you can watch this in a single sitting. So the story starts with our two main characters, Sora and Shiro. They're one brother and sister who has no interest in world. They only sit in their room. Who are the big gamers? Who are the world's top gamers? Best in no matter which game they play, they are the number one player in the game in that game. So one day they are randomly asked by a kid to play a chess with them. They could play on a computer with this. Uh, and after they defeat the other player in the chess, that mysterious kid asks them, are they interested in living in another world, a world of games? And without hesitation, they said yes. Soon as they said yes, they are suddenly transferred to another world called No Game No Life. They soon realized the person who they were playing with the game was actually a god of another world who rules this world of game. In this world, everything is decided by game. You can actually decide everything from life to death in this world just by a simple game of poker or chess. No matter which game you play, you can bet everything in it. So everything has a rule of games in it. And anyone who wins the game has the power to take anything from other. This may seem like a very thing, but to them who are the best in the world, they get excited and decided to live this world to the fullest. It is quite different from other anime, but that doesn't mean this is a bad animation quality. And the reason for that is this animation was actually made by MAPPA Studio. And I don't have to maybe tell you about which is MAPPA Studio. The same studio who was responsible for creating Death Note, One Punch Man, or recently Fusion anime, which was very popular, was also made by this same studio. And if I have to say all 5 anime, this is the animation I would give 9.5 star, the highest, because I actually enjoyed this show, and this animation story is quite different from other anime, which changes the other world perspective completely. So you should also give it a try. Thank you for watching my video. Like and subscribe.